Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good
Am I
morning,
audible now?
Aina. So you got rank 72. I'll not
Yes,
speak
sir.
much about you. You give your own intro. We'll keep us.
Hello, I am Aena Maini. I secured All India Rank 72. I am from Amritsar, Punjab. I did my BDS from Genesis Institute. It's a private college here in Punjab. And
Do you have any other selections apart from you from your college this time?
no, sir.
So you are the star of your college. So it's an amazing thing. Now, being from this college, you must not have seen many selections in NEET previously. So
Yes,
how
sir.
did you make it? Just a little bit about your journey. How did you prepare?
So initially, I was very low on confidence because I did my BDS from private college, and I used to think that this is something not people like me can achieve. I did not have that kind of confidence in me. I started preparing with the beginning of my internship only, but then I became very disheartened and I almost quit my preparation for a few months, for 2, 3 months in between, because I had a few bad tests, bad scores. I was like, I cannot do this. Then eventually I made up my mind again that I have to do this. And I only, during internship, I only attended lectures and made the notes from the lectures. I did not study that much because it was difficult to manage with internship. But the day my internship ended, I gave my 100%. I gave every test. And because I had all the study material I needed from the academy, it was easier for me to manage. I attended your session the day before the exam, and I just thought about it the entire time कि sir ने ऐसे बोला है कि ऐसे eliminate the options and don't change your options. Once I decided that this is the option, I did not change it. जितना भी I wanted to कि I should change it, I didn't do it.
That was amazing. You were able to stick to the plan because no matter if people compulsively change answers. And
No,
you'll
sir.
really vouch, na, you should not change the answers.
Yes, sir. So that session really helped me. I controlled my anxiety, and I think that's what helped me the most. I thought कि जैसे मैम ने बोला था कि think कि ये एस अचीवर्स का मॉक टेस्ट है, सर ने डाला है और वैसे करो, तो मैंने बस यही सोचा कि ये बस मॉक टेस्ट है, ऐसे ही करो.
That is amazing. So, apart from us, you would like to thank few other people for your success.
Yeah, my parents, of course, and my brother. He cleared NEET last year, UG, and he guided me. Prepare this way, do this, manage your
Mm.
time. And the best thing, I guess, he told me that the last few months it is like कि जो सबसे तेज लास्ट में भाग लेगा वो ही जीतेगा. कि पहले doesn't matter कि how much, मतलब it matters, of course you have to put in consistent efforts, but the last 3 months are the most important,
एंड में
and you
कितना
have to
कवर कर
forget
सकते हो?
everything.
At the end of
Cover.
the at the same time, you have to maintain your composure. Exam में
Yes.
you would completely vouch that this kind of exam was very tricky and it will really play on your nerves. It's about controlling your anxiety and how much you can manage your exam time. And I'm very happy, Aina, you made it through and got such a fantastic rank. Being from a college where you don't see many of these selections, so I'm very sure you'll be a role model for many of your juniors. So, do recommend the juniors to AS achievers at the same time to guide them how to study for NEET. So, Aina, last message before you leave this that all these students, there must be many more like you here who believe they cannot do it. They've just joined it, thinking, but they're not confident. What will you say to them?
The first thing is consistency is the most important, no doubt. And secondly, whatever the academy provides, all the material, it is more than enough. You should not go on for looking anything more, that I want to study this and that, everything. The notes, the lectures are more than enough. We are prepared for exam even more difficult for like than this one. Like we had that kind of knowledge. Also, mock tests were very important in my journey. The initial mock test, I did not have any very good marks, but towards the end, मैं बस वो पढ़ती थी end में कि you need to work hard to get in the top 5, and it really gave me that push. कि you have to come in the top 5, and towards the end, I was doing good. So
Hello. So you must
all thanks to the academy.
but you must go ahead with the upcoming AIMS exam also. You never know when the luck shines brighter on you. When it rains, it does not rain, it pours. So you never know. how high you can jump when you start jumping.